Hello, everyone. I spoke with Jaylene this morning, and she mentioned that I can send out this email and this video out to advertisement. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into what this video is about. Essentially, this video I'm going to be going over a website audit, letting you know how you're doing against your competitors, where you're being ranked on the front pages of Google, and your keywords. So let's jump right to it. So first things first, as I look at your website, cool design. One of the things that I look at is you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And the reason why is because you really want to be optimized with Google when you have that amount. And then I also look at your content. Does your content have keywords? Are these pictures? Are they optimized? Do they have meta tags, meta descriptions? Those are some of the things that I look for. And basically, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And then within your content is their keywords. And the reason why you want keywords is because you're telling Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So that's first. For example, if you want to be found for in Tampa for as a plumber, then you want to have keywords that are specifically like plumbers in Tampa, right? Just to give you an example. So I'm going to go ahead and jump over to this tab here. This is an Arabs tool. This helped me understand how strong your website is and how it's doing on Google and the rankings. So first section I want to go over is this section here. And this section goes over your strength. This number right here is your strength of your website. And then this number right here is your trust. So great results. You're being indexed, what we call a golden ratio. So great job on this, right? This makes a huge difference when it comes to how Google sees your website. You have about over 4,000 backlinks with over 1,000 backlinks, referring domains, sorry. And this is really great, which is why you have such a high high status and scores for your website. Now, a backlink, right? A backlink, basically what a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links act like an endorsement for your website, and you're building trust, which is what you're having right now. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks or referring domains that is in your industry. What you don't want is, for example, a backlink that's from Pizza Hut linking back to you because you're not in the pizzeria industry. Now, the third thing I want to go over here is your organic keywords. Okay, what I look for is buyer intent keywords. Okay, that's what I look for. The reason why is because when you have those keywords with service area keywords, buyers are going to be buying from you, and the probability of them calling you and needing a service and the closing rate is going to be a lot higher. So what I'm looking right away is in Tampa, because you service Tampa, I want to see where you're currently ranking for those specific keywords. So let's stick with this one. Tampa AC repair. Okay, the volume in this area, the volume of the amount of people that are searching just for this keyword is 450 people. Now, the position looks like you lost it. So you're not ranking for this particular keyword. So now you're not going to be getting these potential customers looking for your service in the Tampa area, right? And you have all these, but for example, air conditioning Tampa 350, but your position is 96, so you're probably being ranked like 10 plus on the Google rankings. So folks are not going to see you. Now let's go into your competition, right? 1 hour air conditioning and heating. I look at the same thing with them. Content, keywords, okay? Pictures, do they have meta tags, which they do have a keyword here, Tampa HVAC company. So that's going to make a difference on how they're being ranked on Google. Now, let's dive in a little bit deeper. The same way we did with your website, right? They're ranking 37 for their strength and authority. And then 63, this is huge. 63 for authority, for their trust flow, over 1,000 backlinks with only 149 referring domains versus you have over 1,000, right? But let's see what keywords they're ranking for. Okay, that's super important. So if we look at Tampa AC repair, right? Because you lost this one, but let's just stick to that one. 450, but look, their position is number 2. So now, let's go to the Google pages. Grab that same keyword, type it in here, and let's take a step by step. So this is the Google guarantee or the Google ad section. So folks are paying to be on here. And then this is the Google My Business page, which is my favorite because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Okay, and the way to increase this is make sure your content is optimized. Okay, reviews. Are you responding to your reviews? Are you updating your photos? And are you updating your GMB when it comes to different things that have changed in your business? Okay, and you can do that in the Google My Business page. And then the last is these guys right here. These are the organic listings. This is where SEO makes a huge part. They're already ranking. You see how one error, if we look back at Arabs, they were ranked number 2. But now, this was 12 hours ago, but now look, they're being ranked number 1. So these rankings can change super fast and they can maintain their spots. Unless, of course, someone like yourself outbeat them. Anyway, thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If I know I spoke with Jaylene, but if the owner or the marketing manager can just shoot me an email back, I would love some feedback. I want to see what you guys think about this video, and then if you guys have more questions about how you can implement these strategies and get more and outbeat your competition online, feel free to do so. Otherwise, I will be following up. So thank you. Bye-bye.